and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you have come to Food with Chetna, absolutely correct. But for this episode, I am not in my kitchen. In fact, I am in between Folkestone and Dover, and we have come here. A group of us friends have come for the weekend to stay in this beautiful house on the top of a cliff. And it has got a lot of history, this house. First of all, the views are amazing, but this house was actually used for housing 30 plus women during the World War II, and these women would help intercept messages that would then protect the British pilots. So yeah, it's quite a stunning place, and we are here to celebrate our book group's 10-year anniversary. We started a book group so long ago, and then finally decided to celebrate completing 10 years actually. And we have come to this house for a night out. And guess what? I am cooking dinner for my friends, obviously. Any excuse. We've arrived to this house. This kitchen diner is stunning. This is the lounge, beautiful, cozy, and there is a fire. So hopefully we will be sitting here later with the fire on. The rooms are stunning. There are 5 rooms in the house, and it sleeps 10 people. This particular room, all rooms are stunning, by the way, but this room has a little balcony overlooking the sea. There's another room, and actually every single room had stunning views, and every single room was decorated slightly differently with a nice color theme. And yeah, they were all really comfy bedrooms. Great place if you are a big group or want to share. A few families want to come away for the weekend. This is quite a stunning place, and we booked it via Bloom's Stay, which is a Kent-based company, and they welcomed us with a macarade hamper. Macarade is also a Kent-based business, and if you don't know, I do live in Kent, so that's why it's all very Kent-centric. And they have packed the hamper with a lot of local goods actually. They've got some lovely local apple juice, some local crisps, some local honey, some wine, and yeah, it was quite a lovely welcome, and we settled in quite quickly. But while actually everyone was settling into the rooms, I decided to set up the table because, like I said, I am cooking a feast. I'll share right now what I cooked, but yeah, I thought I'll set up the table while everyone is settling in, and this gives me enough time to get the kitchen organized for the meal. I'm actually quite looking forward to this whole dinner. I love cooking, so yeah, any excuse. So we are actually a group of 10, but one of our friends is missing. And we started with bubbly like every other celebration. And yeah, it was so nice to be able to celebrate with this. We never thought we'd last this many years. We've read hundreds of books in these years, and it's been quite lovely. So we decided that it was only right that we went out for a quick walk, seeing where we were. Such beautiful, beautiful views. And we were back in because this kitchen has got the greatest views of the sunset. So we came back in because it was freezing outside, and we got the fire lit quite straight away and got nice and cozy. This lounge, this living space was really, really comfortable and very, very cozy. But it was time for me to get back into the kitchen and get the dinner going. So I actually decided, because it was a feast, I decided I'll cook an Indian feast and cook lots of different things. I prepared everything at home, and I took it to this beautiful house. So here I have got some chole. I'm going to leave the links to all these recipes in the description, I promise. This is some chicken tikka masala. and I know that this is always a hit, so I reheated the chole, the chickpea curry, and it's got this color because it's cooked with lots of spices and tea as well. And this is the chicken tikka masala, finishing it off with some double cream. And this is a roasted cauliflower, and I'm going to finish it with some yogurt. The recipe of this is also available before you guys ask, and I have to say this is one dish that we finished completely. The quantities were perfect, but this is one dish that was all gone. It's such a good one. I also fried some fresh papad. I don't like to buy them from the shops, the fried ones you get in the UK. I like the Indian ones, and then you can fry them fresh. They just taste completely different. Now this delicious potato sabji, you'll find the recipe coming to the YouTube this week, so don't forget to subscribe. And now we are sat down. I also made some fresh chapatis and some rice to go with all the food, and also some lovely salads. So it was a proper feast because we were celebrating such a big kind of event, you know, a decade of our book group. And yeah, it was so nice to be able to cook this amazing feast for my friends. Thankfully, everyone loved it. I love this time when the table is set, everybody sat down and they're serving up. It's all worth it. All the hard work then is worth it when you see everyone plating up and then they started eating. And then it's just my favorite time of a meal. So lovely to watch everyone enjoy it, and then it kind of is worth all the hard work.
We fry them. You take one, Claire. That's chickpea. Oh, sorry, cauliflower.
Yeah, I think the fact that it's every Thursday, the first of the month.
It just makes it so simple, didn't we?
Now for pudding, I went for tiramisu because you can make this a day in advance, and actually it is better, it tastes better the day after it's had 24 hours in the fridge. And then it's really easy to then just slice it up and serve, and that's exactly what I am doing, serving it up. And yeah, it is one of our family favorite desserts, so I just went for this. And thankfully everyone did enjoy it. In case you want to check out the bloom stay and the house we stayed in, I will leave the link to those as well in the description in case anyone is interested. It will save you guys sending me a message. So here it is. We moved to the lounge and we started with lots of chocolates, crisps, and also lots of games. Next morning, we went to Folkestone and decided to go for a nice lunch. And yeah, it was such a lovely sunny day, another sunny day, to wrap up this, weekend away. And the creative quarters of Folkestone is where we finally wrapped up our celebratory weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed.